Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about my art supplies. So the first thing is this A3 size artist pad. The second one is of again A3 size, which is of 160 GSM. I used for watercolor. Next I have these cartridge sheets and ivory sheets for practice work and doodle works. Next I have these artist watercolor cakes which I have been using since last 3 or 4 years, and then I started using this artist watercolor tubes which I almost completed, so I bought a new one also, so here it is. Next I have these domes watercolor tubes. These tubes are good for beginners. Next I have some watercolor brushes. These are from brand called Scholar, which I have bought from a local store. Next I have this watercolor palette and a container. Next I have these Fevicryl Acrylic colors. Next I have these Hobby Ideas acrylic colors. This is in the shade Pearl Kit. These are the shining colors. Next I have these Domes pencil colors. I have stored in a different container. Next I have these Camlin drawing pencils, and I have also Artline pencils. These are the blending stumps and some blending brushes which I have bought from Amazon. This is my acrylic color palette, and the next one is a wooden palette which is generally used for oil paintings. Next I have these huge acrylic color tubes. These are of 40 ml tubes. I have total 9 shades in it. Next I have this varnish, spray varnish, which is used for acrylic and oil painting. Next I have this is medium, which is used for a cloth painting, and this is a black ink. Next I have these fine pens which is of 0.4 mm. This is used for a doodle works, and this is a pilot pen which is also used for a doodle works. Next up I have these old brushes and some acrylic brushes which I use. Next I have some doodle books which are good for reference and practicing. Next I have this 3D doodler. This is an electronic pen which I had never used. Comment down below if you want a review on it. This is a small size board, and the next one is A3 size board, which are good for ivories and cartridge sheets to stick on. Next I have this easel which I got from Amazon, and this is the last material in this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Comment down below if you want to see part 2, and thank you so much for watching.